Hey there, YouTubers! Hi there, Dr. Sheep here. Welcome back to another, I guess this is a chemistry video, funny enough. Today we're exploring the chemical properties of worms. Well, they're glowworms to be exact. If you don't know what these are, they're a firework. And you open them up in here. They're little hockey pucks, as you can see. And we're just going to explore the different chemical properties. We're going to soak them in water, vinegar, maybe some alcohol, different ways of lighting them off, see what happens when we crush them up. I've got 6 of these boxes that each have 6 in them, so I've got 36 hockey pucks to work with, so let's get started. Welcome back to Cooking with Dr. Sheep. So what I have in front of me here is a glass of water and a small glass of vinegar. Now, as I've learned from how to actually make some of these, you need a fuel source and you need something to actually make the snake. And in most cases, the ones that you make yourself at home, it's it's baking soda. So when the baking soda burns, it creates carbon dioxide. And a common source of fuel is usually sugar or powdered sugar. And these, it could be carbon or gunpowder. I would assume it's carbon, because if it's gunpowder, they'd probably just go whoosh up in smoke. And if it is baking soda, it's actually generating the carbon dioxide. We should see a reaction with vinegar. And the water, well, the water's just for kicks and giggles, obviously. So yeah, if we get a look-see over here. So this is the water. Not much is happening. I'm kind of disappointed here. Alright, well, let's try the vinegar here. So, right in the vinegar we go. That's unfortunate. Well, they're clearly not using baking soda, but I got one more test. So, actually, it's not reacting with the vinegar. Tell you what, let's cut back. I got one more liquid I want to try out. Whoa, we're back, and this time I replaced it with 70% alcohol. Now, I've dumped out the water one just because it wasn't doing anything. I'm still really hoping that this vinegar does something. Not really much of anything's happening yet. Anyways, let's go back to the alcohol. So we'll just pour a little bit in the cup. Or a lot. That is actually a lot. Oh well. And drop it in. I think we're actually getting some bubbles to form. Interesting. Interesting. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Very interesting indeed. Anyways, let's come back up here. Now we're going to attempt to light these on fire. I've got a few experiments. First, we'll just show some classic ones. Then I'm going to attempt to make some green ones. Oh. Never mind, I won't make any green ones. I don't have my borax anymore. Shoot. Well, then we'll crush like 2 boxes up or something, and then see if that does anything exciting. So yeah, I'll come back to you in a minute. So we've come back outside with some of these lined up here, and obviously what you're supposed to usually do is take a lighter and wow, that worked surprisingly well. Wow. I've never actually had one that worked that well before. Wow. I'm impressed. And it's done. And this is just carbon foam that's left over. Now I have a few other ideas. Okay, that didn't work. So trying to light these on fire with WD-40 doesn't work. Me here. So next thing is on if you ever see Mr. Beast's Life Hack channel, they like to use Flex Seal to light things on fire. Oh, that one didn't go very long. Yeah, they like to use Flex Seal to light things on fire. Wow, oh, there's ashes from the box. And it's going. Look at that. It's not as nice as I'd like it to be. Nothing compared to the first one. So now we have some rubbing alcohol. Just pour it to the side here. I didn't mean to pour it on top, but the whole concrete's on fire now. Is it gonna catch? Hey? Getting something? There it goes. Come on. Might go. There it goes. It's making a yellow smoke. Lighting them regularly, it works, as you can see by these two. Not the greatest, but you do get the best snake performance. WD-40 doesn't work at all. Flex Seal worked kind of. Again, we didn't get the best snake performance. Alcohol worked pretty well, actually. We have a nice sustained snake there. Yeah. So now, hope is to crush them up and then see if we can't make one big snake. This is probably going to backfire. Well, considering Flex Seal seemed to be one of the most fastest ways to get things to go up, other than the alcohol. Hello, dog. We're gonna hit it with Flex Seal. Now we've, what is it, 6 in there, you remember? 12. 12, oh yeah, 12. Okay. Some interesting stuff's happening. Wow, it's warm. Wow, it's a bit warm. It's working. Oh my gosh. Woohoo! Smells like burnt sugar. Like I said, there could be sugar in there. That was something else. Right. That worked well. So my next experiment should work just as fine. I'm not going to have these ground up. We're just going to have them all. I think they're all going now. Yes! Yes! Look at that! Wow. Gone. Reduced to atoms. So, it's the end of the video. Of course. Naturally. So what did we learn today? Well, these things probably aren't made out of the materials I thought they were. There's at least carbon in there. I mean, that's what snakes are reduced to. Ash. They didn't dissolve in water, so yay. That was vinegar. Yeah, now I'm gonna smell like vinegar the rest of the day. And the alcohol has actually managed to turn a little yellow. I mean, I'm surprised just as much as you are, or maybe not as much as you are. Maybe you're not surprised at all. But I like to watch things burn. So it's only fitting that we watch things burn. Alcohol vapors burn, not the actual alcohol. Always remember that, kids. I would like to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and share. New videos every other Friday, 4:30 p.m. Central Time. And good night. Oh, you're still here? I thought I told you to go home. Oh, you want more? Well then please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you know every time I post. And while you're there, check out the playlist. Oh, you're still not satisfied? Well then check out my Instagram for exclusive content. And if you really want to help me out, you'll stick around for the next 20 seconds to give me that sweet watch time. Bye.